Guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So I have the Nothing Phone 1 and it got recently updated to the Nothing OS 3 and it has got a lot of features in there. I will be discussing them in another video, but in this video I will be talking about the photo sharing widget that has been added to this new Nothing OS 3, which is really good. So whenever I will be tapping on the widgets, you will be seeing that there is an option of shared widgets, and if I click on that, all the widgets that are shared in my phone or I have shared with another Nothing phone will be shown here, and I can just put them anytime on the home screen. So in this video we will see how we can use this widgets sharing option, which is a new function of the Nothing OS 3. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are interested, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, I will be showing you the new widget screen area which has been changed in the Nothing OS 3, and you can see all the widgets are same, but the way it is displayed is different and it looks really streamlined, and also you will be able to find widgets very easily with the search widget option. So every widget can be shared maybe in the future updates, but now you can share only the photos widget, which is a very important widget for this phone, because in this widget you can add as many photos and also you can share it with other people. So how to use this option is you have to add a photo widget first. So adding a photo widget is really easy, and after you add, there are some new functions that I added. First of all, you have to add photos in there. I have added few of the photos in there, and after that I will also have the option of automatically shuffle. So automatic shuffle is actually an option to change the images on unlock, hourly or daily basis, whatever you want you can choose here. Grayscale preview, if you want the images in black and white, you can enable this option, but I want the images in color. Frame also you can disable or enable. So this is how the images will look, and you can change the image even after unlocking or locking the device. The image will be changed. And here if I tap and hold, you will be seeing there is a resize option also, with which I can resize this widget and see the photos in a different way. Very good looking widget and very streamlined way it is designed. You can put a number of wallpapers over this as a widget and it will look really good. One thing I will show you guys, that once you have expanded the widget, there is no sharing option. So in order to use the sharing option, you have to resize the widget again, and after you resize the widget, you will be able to now share the widget. So after adding the images, there is this sharing option, and after you click on that, you will get this shared widgets beta option, where you have to share an invitation link with whom you want to share the widget. So you have to click on this share invitation link and you will get the options with which you can send the invitation link to a friend. Once he will be receiving the invitation link, he will also be able to open it in this Nothing phone. So one thing to note, that this will only work with another Nothing phone, and once your friend has got the invitation link, he can also click the link and open the widget, and it will show in the shared widgets area, and the friend will be also seeing the widget which you have shared here. And if he wants to add the widget, he just will be tapping and holding it, and on the screen it will be added. So I have already added this widget, that's why I'm not able to add, but if you are sharing it to a friend, he will be able to add by this method. It's a really simple method, but really effective method to add and share widgets to your friend or your loved ones, and definitely it can be really useful sometimes. And I think Nothing will be adding this sharing widget option to every little widget in there, and also there will be a sticker option where you can add stickers in there. So some of the widgets are missing, like the countdown widget, which has been also added, but countdown widget is not here in the Nothing OS 3 beta version for Nothing Phone 1. So maybe Nothing will be added this on the next update. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you about this new feature, which is the sharing widget option. I hope you have liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.